Hello, you guys. Today we are doing a video. Alan, 15 seconds ago you were scared about the dog. Now you want to see the dog?
Where's the dog?
Right where? Right where? Right there. Where's the doggy? Come on, let's go get the dog, y'all. Where is the dog, man? Everybody on the street, my friend, my girl. Where did the dog go? What's his feeling? So right now we lost the dog. Where? Where? Huh? Let me see.
I'm gonna chase it.
You can zoom in your camera. What? I don't see it. It's right there. See that? What? Oh, I see it. Look at that dog. He's so cute. Look, I can zoom in my camera. How did you? Like this?
I'm down.
Move. Like this. Get the dog, get the dog. Katie, get the dog. This dog's hilarious. Girl, what you gonna do about this dog? Nothing. I'm gonna let it be. We should do pranks now. Cause this video is like Cause this video is like 1 minute and 1 hour into this video. So what y'all gonna do? Let's go get it. Let's go get the dog, Kaden. Let's go get. This dog is nonsense. No, we can't. We can't trespass into the yard.
Hi, Michael.
Can't trespass into somebody else's yard.
What? Alan!
There's a dog. Doggy! Hi, doggy!
Hey, baby. Come here.
Whose dog is this?
That's that person's over there. That's our friends. They have another dog. Wow. Doggy people. You want to say hey to the vlog? Doggy! Come here, dog! You want to say hey?
He's right there.
Hey, doggy, you want to tell me, Robbie?
Oh, now you know it.
Hey. See. Alan, look, the dog.
It's gonna flip over when I come to it.
No, it ain't. Just keep rubbing his belly. Pick him up. It smells like Pee-wee over. Huh? It smells like Pee-wee over there. My hands smell them.
Oh, God.
Smell my hands.
Get the dog over here.
Huh? Doggy! Come here, dog. You want to be on YouTube, dog? Viral dog.
That's why he liked the other one. He's thinking like this.
Dog. Hey, dog. Well, we gonna do episode 2 of this. Bye.